What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, I am going to the Super Ill car meet. It's in LA somewhere. I don't know, like in a garage structure or whatever. But I got Randy right in front of me, and he's in Barricade. You guys can see that. And we're meeting up with Rudy and a few other people when we get there. But should be a good time. Can't wait. It's funny seeing people's reactions to Barricade. Like everyone's taking pictures of it. He's gonna cause an accident out here. How people love that car. I'm off on the adventure. I seriously hate LA. We've been stuck in traffic for like, I don't even know how long now. Stupid amount of time. But we're almost there. The parking garage is over there. If you guys can see it. But yeah, I've been sitting here for probably, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, now maybe it's been 45 minutes. Still stuck in traffic. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, we're like at the meet, I guess. We're like where you're supposed to be pulling in at, and the cops have shut it down, unfortunately. And so they're not letting any more people in, which sucks. So I don't know, we're trying to walk in. Randy's sitting over there waiting. He's gonna be the first to go in if they let anyone in. But it's not looking good. Oh my gosh, look at the Bosso Zuka exhaust on this car. Yeah! So here's a lifted Miata I just saw. I've never seen this one online before. But looks like pretty identical to mine. Pretty cool. And there's a bunch of cars in here. I'm gonna go to the top story because that's where all my friends are at. Randy still isn't able to get in, but hopefully I'll just figure it out. Really cool RX-7 right there. I made it to the top story. It is crowded up here. Cool rims on that Mercedes. Some Mark IV Supra. 240s. All kinds of stuff. Check out this wide body Camaro. This thing's crazy looking. What a trip. Pretty basic Lamborghini GTR. Oh, there's that Babe Evo. We saw Formula Drift. Wow, it's really cool color on this Evo. Next to another Evo. This car got the spotlight, must be nice. Highlighter yellow BMW M3. Here's TJ Hunt's BRZ. Looks pretty good. All aired out. Plexiglass hood. That is sick. Wrap is crazy. Look at those angles. Green to purple. FJ40 Falcon edition. Big old LS V8 and that 240. And we got Rotary Gang over here.
If you want that,
this whole Mazda is so clean. A little rotary in there. Oh, that is sick. Look at this super clean Cressida. Dude. Wow. The caliper of cars up here is pretty nutty. This car's already been in like, I don't know, 2 or 3 of my videos. Extremely clean as always though. Really nice build. Oh, we got an RX-7 up here. Wow. More RX-7s. Oh, it's like the RX-7 spot, literally. This car is so beautiful. The taillights on this car are like insane. Such a sick car. Actually pretty cool looking RX-8, and it's Jay-Z swapped. That's so funny. And of course this beautiful RX-3 in the middle. Whoa now. Hey, Mr. Rager, Mr. Rager, tell me where you're going, tell us where you're headed. Oh my gosh, look at this Nissan Juke. What a trip. Next to a Mark IV Supra and an Indy Miata. Here's Nikita's car from Offbeat Garage, his 240. Pretty cool. This is a pretty sick little Miata. The license plate's funny. Runs okay. Garage Star wing stands. Polished hood. So many Z's. There's Z's everywhere. Got some bozo action over here. Check out that exhaust. That is insane. Must be time for everyone to leave because everyone's revving their engines so loud right now. Taillights on those S2000 are insane. It's on air too. This is so funny. It's flying! Drifters again, back at it again with the Miatas. Look at this little cute Miata over here, all by his lonesome. And an FDR7 right behind him. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thank you so much for watching. It's so loud! Ghetto birds out. And it's chaos.